Hi guys, I'm Pooja and today I'm back with another haul, but this one is a very teeny tiny haul. This is a Bath and Body Works haul, guys. So I love Bath and Body Works, but we all know भाई इतना expensive है कि full price में ना मैं सोचती हूँ कि I'll buy so much, but हिम्मत ही नहीं हो पाती. But the best part is that these days they are having a lot of offers, and by the way this video is completely non-sponsored. So they are having such amazing sales going on these days that I always end up on the Bath and Body Works website and I end up shopping. Anyhow, so let me show you what all I got from the sale. Now this is not one order, this is two completely separate orders, and this has been ordered I think एक महीने के गैप से 3 महीने मैंने 2 बार शॉपिंग करी है guys. Don't think that मैं वो भी इंसान हूँ जो रोज शॉपिंग करती हूँ. No, not at all. Anyhow, before starting the video, I just want to request you guys to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and please press the bell icon so that whenever I post, you get a notification. So, once you're done with that, are you done with that? Done. Let's get started. This is what I got. I think उठा के अकेले दिखाते हैं. So they had this offer going on wherein you buy buy two get two on shower gels. And अगर आपने Bath and Body Works से shower gels use नहीं किया guys तो what are you doing? If there's one thing that you want to get from Bath and Body Works, that has to be a shower gel. या फिर candle या फिर I don't know. मतलब सब कुछ ही अच्छा है. But let's start with the shower gels. So I love their shower gels. They have this shower gel which is called as 1000 Wishes and it's so good. But this time I decided to try something different because different try करना हमेशा अच्छा होता है. I got this white jasmine shower gel and I'm just gonna sniff it and I'll try and describe. I wish हमारे पास technology होती जो हम आपको smell करवा पाती because everything smells so good in here. Let's see. It smells so good and divine. It smells like एक टोकरी जिसे भरी पड़ी हो flowers की. It smells so good. The best part about these shower gels is कि आप तो अच्छा फील करते हो नहाते हुए, उसके बाद आपके बाथरूम में ना 2-3 घंटे ऐसा लगता है भाई वाह. So that is the first one. It is for 1299 rupees and I got 4, so मुझे उनको half price देना पड़ा, which is amazing. So this is the first one that I picked. The next that I got is fresh gardenia. I love me a floral fragrance. If you ask me fruity or floral, I always go for floral because it does not give me that headache which fruity does. So I want to try gardenia as well. Oh, this is so good. This is like very tropical, sunny tropical vibes, like आप vacation पे हो type. So this is the second product that cost 1299. मुझे तो हाथ में मिला है. So that is that. And ये बेचारा थोड़ा सा leak हो गया है. So as you can see, but this is called Cactus Bloom with shea and vitamin E, and it is a gel moussette. Fancy. Oh, this smells so expensive. This is like जब हम expensive spas वगैरह में जाते हैं ना 5 star के, जहाँ हम कभी-कभी जाते हैं because it's too expensive. It smells exactly like that. I think ये तो मैं अभी अपने bathroom में रखने वाली हूँ. It is so good. I love it. And this is again 295 ml for the same price. I love this. This is a combination of a few flowers. Actually cactuses. किसको पता था cactus इतने अच्छे smell करते हैं, but that is that. And of course I repeated the one that actually triggered this purchase, which is 1000 Wishes. This is such an expensive fragrance. मतलब अगर आप date night पे जा रहे हो, शादी में जा रहे हो, अच्छे से ready होके जाना है, इससे बात कीजिए, you will smell amazing, but you will feel amazing as well. So good. This is a little sweeter as compared to others. It has, I think, a combination of sweet. It's not floral at all. It's just a little sweeter and expensive. मतलब अगर आपको expensive perfume shower form में होता है तो यही होता है. Next I have a product जो मैंने generally use नहीं करती हूँ, but मैंने ले लिया है because it's 1000 Wishes, which is a 24 hours ultra sheer body cream. So I'm the kind of person I slather myself in cream every single time after I take bath. So ये अगर मैं रोज लगाऊंगी तो भाई फिर तो लुट ही जाएंगे हम, because this costs 1399 guys. ये मैं 2 दिन में यूज कर सकती हूँ, but I got it as a hand cream. So मैं इसको अपने इस ड्रेसर पे संभाल के रखने वाली हूँ. It looks so good and I will use it as a hand cream. But let's see how it smells. Oh, so good. Let me just try. थोड़ा सा. ओह वाह वाह, मतलब इससे नहाने के बाद ना जब रेडी हो जाओ तो यही लगाना चाहिए. सो गुड. एंड मैंने बता दिया 1400 रुपये की है. very nice. I got it on sale, so that's the best part. Now before showing the last two products, which are mists, I'm going to show you the mist that I'm using right now. These are the two mists that I'm using right now. This Japanese cherry blossom I use every single day. आप देख ही सकते हैं कितनी सारी खत्म हो गई है. This is so good. It's like fresh. It's like, you know, I'm just going out. It's full of energy. So I use this every single morning, and also I'm that person who uses mists on night shift as well. So रात को भी मैं लगाते सोती हूँ. So good. So ये थोड़े time के लिए fragrance देती है. Then I reapply it, which is completely fine. This is the second one. This is chamomile and honey. This is okay because it's a little strong. It kind of gives me headache sometimes. मैं रोज use नहीं करती. बट कभी कभी जब मुझे एग्जैक्टली एकदम बाहर जाना होता है तब मैं यूज करती हूँ, अदरवाइज थोड़ा सा हेडेक हो जाता है. सो दिस इज द सेकंड वन. एंड और मुझे मिस्ट इतनी अच्छी लगती है, मैंने दो और ले ली है. वन इज 1000 विशेस बिकॉज आपने देख ही लिया होगा. आई लव द रेंज. दिस इज द फर्स्ट वन. दिस इज अ ब्यूटिफुल डे. लेट मी जस्ट स्निफ दिस वन. Exactly the same. A little bit of fruit and all the luxury. This is amazing. And next one is a beautiful day. This smells like a little bit of salty vacation. Aha! It's like you're on the beach and it is so good. I think it's best summer fragrance. I'm going to start using it. I'll keep it on my dresser, and yeah, that is all for today's haul, guys. If you are somebody like me who loves Bath and Body Works, then do keep checking them for sale because they do have a lot of offers going on these days. I actually have a lot of offers that I promote on my Instagram page as well. So you can check out my page, which is Pooja09 right here, and you can check what all offers are going on. I do keep you guys updated with everything which is happening around. So that's all for my today's video. I really hope you liked this haul, and if you did, let me know in the comment section that you enjoy hauls. I might do more, and if you already have a few products from Bath and Body Works that you love, let me know. I'll get them and try them. That is all. I'll see you in my next one.